Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you that how you can change the wallpaper in MacBook OS. So let's start. So first of all, what you need to do, you have to open the MacBook. So as you can see, I have already opened. Now simply what you need to do, you have to press the control and then click it on the screen, and after that you need to click on this option which is called change background. So let's click on this. After clicking on this, the new window will be opened which is called desktop and screensaver. As you can see, now it's open. Now you have to select the wallpaper which you want to add. For example, if you want to add this one, then you need to select this one, or if you want to add any kind of other one, you can also do that. It's up to you. They have provided so much photos. For example, I want this one, so simply I'm going to click on this. So as you can see, it's now done. So in this way you can change the background of your MacBook OS. So if you want to cut this, then simply you have to click on this, and now as you can see, the background is changed. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can change the background in MacBook OS. So see you guys in the next video.